Hey Hector, this is Mark. Hey man, in this video I'm going to go over a couple of things that you can do today to help you bring more customers to your site. And I know in this day times are tough, so I'm really just want to help businesses grow. I got a couple of things you can do today to help bring more business. So if by the end of the video you like what you've heard and you see that I've got a couple of tricks up my sleeve, man, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or simply if you want to take this message or these tips and tricks that I give you, you want to do them yourself, well, that works for me too. So let's just jump right into it. So the first thing that I want to go over today is content. Google really loves content, and I show you have a pretty good looking layout. I like your pictures here, and these testimonials are also really great to have on here. You've got a few words here in your front page. Like I said, you really want to have at least 1,500 words of content to be really optimized by Google. These pictures are really good pictures to have. The only thing is you want to have these pictures with some kind of keyword or saved to your page with a keyword linking back to your site. And I'll go over the keywords here in just a second. So next thing I want to go over is your citations. This right here is what we call the map pack. And really what this is this is where you really want to be. So how do you get here? Well, the easiest way to get here is to have your name, address, and phone number registered through sites like Yelp.com, YellowPages.com, or even the Better Business Bureau. And like I said, you want to have at least 200 citations going into your site. And I took the liberty to take a look at it. You've got about 16 citations for your site alone. We have another tool that we like to use. It's called Ahrefs, and basically what this is this will show me how many organic keywords you've got, referring domains, and your backlinks going to your site. So like I said, we were talking about earlier, the organic keywords. You want to have these keywords throughout your site. That way, every day, these people are looking for these buyer intent words, and really, these keywords. I mean, you really don't want to miss out on being number one above your competition, right? So, with these keywords, it really gives your site what's called like link juice, and but there's more to it than that. This link juice are a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back to your site. And in Google's eyes, it's really like a popularity contest. So, what's in it for me? Well, these backlinks are really refer back to the popularity contest. It's really another way that Google gives you search engine power over your site, and which really turns viewers into customers. So these buyer intent words here, like this one right here, Ace Carpet Cleaning, you're getting about 300 clicks a month on this one. Which is a really good word to have in your site throughout, and this all ties back into your content, man. So if you can really throw this in there, not every word, but you want to have at least the more keywords you've got, the better. That way it gives you more content to be able to put on your site. And then, like I say, you want to have these referring domains. You've got 9 referring domains to you, with 51 of them linking back to your site. So the more the better. Obviously, like I said, Google's more popularity contest. The more the better. That way it'll get you into here. And then, so yeah, I mean that's really what we do. So going back over, like so, you want to have at least 1,500 keywords in your site. You want to have your name, address, phone number registered in order to get the more citations you get, and then as well as your organic keywords. So I know this is pretty time-consuming stuff I'm pretty sure you've got plenty of other things you can be doing, but messing with your site. So yeah, we can definitely help you out. So if you want to give me a call back here at the office, my phone number here is 806-790-8753. Yeah, we'd love to help you. So get in touch and we will talk to you soon. Thanks.